Right, so let's finish off our program. At the moment, I know that this program is going to be quite lengthy. If we attempt it properly, I should really design it on paper to make it easier. But there's going to be lots of different conditions or lots of different outputs. So for example, on this one, we might just have x squared. And if we had x squared, then we've just got one single root. Okay, and we need to think about what the factorization of x squared would look like. So let's sort of give it a go and see where we get. Like I said, a lot of tidying up will need to be done. First of all, we need the value of a. Because that's going to be the first part of our factorized quadratic equation. So we could have it like this. So the first item in our list is a. So if it was 2x squared, I'd start off with 2. And then I'm going to have some brackets in here, round brackets, not square brackets. And they're going to start off with x and x. So that's what my equation is going to look like at the moment. There's no pluses or minuses here. We're just writing out the equation in a format. So let's do it. 1, 0, minus 1. Whoops. 0, minus 1. There we go. We've got 1 times x plus something minus something plus x plus. But I don't particularly like that. If it's 1, I don't want 1 there at all. I only want it if it's different to 1. And I need to put these values in here, but we'll just concentrate on these values in here first. So we did notice that it was the opposite of the root that we got. I can just negate that by doing minus root 0 and minus root 1. So whatever my two roots were, I'm just negating them. So if you remember when it came out as x equals 1, my brackets were x minus 1 equals 0. So that's what I've done there. And the problem that I've got here is that well, we'll see. I can't just put the first one in and then the second one there, because it will only work for the negative version. Okay, it will just say x something and x minus 2, whatever it is. So let's run that. So we've got a problem to solve. So let's do it again. 1, 0, and minus 1. Whoops. That's because it's roots. Run it again. 1, 0, minus 1. So this one looks good. X minus 1 and x, but it's just given us x1 and a 1 at the front. So we're almost there, but we need to sort of tidy this up with a little bit of code, and I don't think we can print it out straight off. So the program is going to get large, and the only reason why it's going to get large is because we're trying to make this look pretty and proper. So we'll start with that one in the next video.